Hello, my name is Naftali Ida. I manage the application engineering team for the PolyJet technology. Today, I wanted to talk to you about something we've been working on for quite some time. It's a new set of advanced printing capabilities called GrabCAD Print Pro. We've made a set of pebbles to highlight and showcase some of the innovative applications we have used these new GrabCAD Print Pro features for. Let's take a closer look. So first off, before we start with the pebbles, we've got something even more extreme before that. We've got a bonus insert for you that conforms to the form of the box and these pebbles. These inserts have been printed with different texture effects directly onto glass and without the use of support structures. This provides a superior finish with no post-processing required straight off the printer. So here we can see an example of the same printed insert, but this time with a carbon fiber weave effect. And this was achieved by printing straight onto a carbon fiber textured surface, and that texture has been transferred onto the model. This model too is straight off the printer with no post-processing or polishing beyond support removal. The exceptional surface finish is achieved by printing in our 14-micron high-quality print mode on the J850. This unique design leverages the ability to assign support material within GrabCAD Print to an imported body. In this case, we are using this capability to use an imported body as a matte mask over a glossy pebble, thereby providing a complex decorative finish effect on the upward-facing surfaces of the model. This tactile difference between the matte and the glossy areas provides a sophisticated and elegant enhancement and interest to the black material. Now, this pebble showcases my favorite PolyJet material, air. This can often be used as the opposite of support as a material, but in this application, we are using the air material to take advantage of PolyJet's self-supporting angle. This feature enables the creation of voids inside a model. You could use these voids for a range of purposes, lightweighting, for example, and material cost savings. Alternatively, you could use these voids to create decorative or prismatic effects embedded within a clear model. Next, we will look at what is arguably the crown jewel of the kit, Pebble 127, where here we've combined air voids with another GrabCAD Print Pro feature called Smart Insert. In this case, the air is assigned to a void that conforms to the size and shape of an element that we will be embedding inside the pebble. During the printing, the moment before this void is to be sealed over, we pause the print at this pre-assigned point and simply insert our elements inside. In this case, we've got some wireless LEDs and an NFC chip. Multiple stops can be assigned and a whole host of objects and substances can be inserted into these voids. And using the same Smart Insert functionality, we now have a decorative rather than functional application for this feature. In this pebble, we've embedded gold and silver mirrors at the pause point, encasing them and preserving them for all eternity within the body of the pebble to create this stunning luxury finish. Now, let's move on to this special print-on pebble. This pebble was designed by Nadia Zinger-Wagschall. Nadia designed this beautiful geometric pattern to conform to the outline of a wooden beech wood blank that it's printed on. This application showcases how traditional and additive manufacturing processes can be married together in a production setting. Traditionally manufactured, mass-produced parts can be elevated with a high-end, complex designs quickly and easily by being accurately positioned on printed jigs ready for embellishment 3D printing. Our technology provides excellent adhesion to a range of surfaces, including many woods and plastics. These capabilities are of specific interest to design, automotive and packaging industries. And finally, we come to the last pebble in the set, but by no means least. This pebble was made possible by Reut Reina, who used a proprietary volumetric material creation software to create a truly mesmerizing purlin structure within the body of this pebble. This complex structure would have been too complex to have been efficiently represented in mesh or solid body form, so this representation was exported as a stack of PNG slices that can be compiled for printing on the J-series printer using the voxel print utility. Thank you for your time today. I hope you've enjoyed this brief look at some of the applicative uses we have found for these GrabCAD Print Pro features. We look forward to seeing and having you share with us the innovations and applications that GrabCAD Print Pro can unlock for you. Till next time, happy printing.